Today I'll be showing you how to use um, your Google Drive and how to share Google files with others. So you will make sure you're logged into your Google account, as I am here, and go to your Google Drive, and here's all my files that are on my Google Docs account. And so we'll go back up to the top. Well, I have a folder right here. So, and it has some files in it. But then you can just share files from straight from here. But I'll click on this folder, and it just has one in it. So you'll go up here and go to this little drop down box right here, and you can open with, more apps, like connect, add more apps, a new folder, share, get a shareable link, add shortcut to drive, move to, add to start, rename, change color, share within softball, which is within my folder, download, or you can remove it. So we are going to learn how to share, so we'll click share, and it'll bring up share with people and groups. So you can add people. So we will add my UL email account, and you can change viewer, because that's who, the person that you're sending to will view it. And then you can add a little note and a message, and let them know what's in it, before they even open it, and it'll send it to them, and then before they even open it, they can know exactly what's in it. So then you can push send, and my it's a non-Google email account, so you can share anyways, and it will send a invitation for them, to invite them to make a Google account so they can share, or so they can view your file. So you'll share anyways, and that person has been added to your file, and you can push shared, and it shows you who can view your file. And that is all on how to share Google files with other people. Thank you.